Hello YouTube, this is Grow It, Build It, and today I'm going to be germinating some compass plant seeds. Compass plant is a native perennial. It's very tall, and the seeds are kind of unique in that they're almost like little, they're almost like little flakes. So it's a pretty thin seed, which means you don't need to plant them very deep. I kind of halfway plant them in between. I keep them slightly exposed. But this plant can get, I think, around 8 foot tall typically. The name compass plant comes from the pioneers who used to cross the country in covered wagons. They would be able to orient themselves based on the compass plant's leaves. So on the stalk of it, you'll have the two leaves, and it always kind of orients itself north and south, just to try to keep the effects of the sun to a minimum on it. So that'd be kind of neat to see. It's also, it looks kind of like a sunflower, and the plant itself, though, being so tall, it'll be good in the back of the garden. It does spread by rhizomes, so if you're going to plant it, you need to have a lot of space or have a good way to keep it contained. But yeah, it seems like an interesting plant for me to try to grow out here. And really, this one benefits from going through a stratification period, a winter. So you want to have it where you can do it a few ways. If you're trying to plant this in the summer, the easiest way is to stratify in the fridge, which means what I do is I just kind of put it in a wet paper towel folded up in a plastic bag, and I write down what date I put it in there, and 6 weeks, 2 months later you can pull it out. Since it's February, I'm doing it Mother Nature's way. I'm just kind of planting it how I normally would, and then I'm going to basically put it outside. And it's February now, so by the time temperatures really consistently get warm enough for this stuff to germinate, I should, it should have mimicked a winter by then, or long enough anyways. So it's kind of an easier way, in my opinion, to stratify your seeds. But anyways, I'll keep you up to date with how I do, with how many of these germinate, and we'll take it from there. Thank you very much.